Hello students, we have started Statistics Chapter 1 Introduction. Till now we have studied the different terms consumer, producer, service provider. Okay, now we are going to study ahead. Let's start. First, characteristics of statistics. What are the different types of characteristics of statistics? Means what does statistics include? What it has? The characteristics of statistics are there are 7 characteristics. First, statistics are aggregate of facts. Aggregate means what? We are not having individually, we are having it all together. Second, statistics are affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of causes. There are many causes to affect statistics. Only one cause cannot affect. They are numerically expressed. They are expressed in numbers. Our statistics are enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standard of accuracy. It cannot be 100% accurate, but to some extent it is more accurate than the other comparisons. Statistics are collected in a systematic manner. There is a pattern, there is a proper manner how it should be collected. Statistics for a predetermined purpose. It is done for a predetermined means it should be known for what purpose it is done. Statistics are capable of being placed in relation to each other. Okay, now let's study this all characteristics in detail. First, statistics are aggregate of facts, means it is related in studied in relation to time, place, frequency, anything. Individual, single or unconnected figures are not statistics. Here we are taking aggregate. Aggregate of facts means we are taking group of students, academic achievement of students. Like this we are taking many things. Only one factor cannot affect statistics. Okay. Second, statistics are affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of causes. Only one cause or one reason does not affect the whole statistics. It is affected by many causes which are related to each other. Like social sciences, changes affected many factors. In particular case, individual causes, one different individual causes can be traced, but all multiplicity of causes will be affected. Next is statistics are numerically expressed. When we are taking averages, we need to study statistics by numerical express. So it does not include, for one aspect it does not have qualitative in this. If we are taking averages and that in qualitative express phenomenon like honesty, goodness, ability, we cannot express statistics. So we are doing our calculation on the basis of numerically expressed phenomenon for by formula basis. Next, statistics are enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standard of accuracy. Means the standard of estimation or accuracy differs from inquiry to inquiry and different purpose. For every purpose, the standard remains same. A single student cannot be ignored while calculating IQ of 100 students in a group. Means when we are talking about group, a single student's IQ is very less. It cannot be ignored. Whereas 10 soldiers can be easily ignored while finding out IQ of soldiers of whole country, because they are having the same statistics when they are calculating. Similarly, we can ignore 10 deaths in a country, but we cannot ignore even a single death in a family. So it depends on different purpose to purpose where and how we are calculating statistics. Next, statistics are collected in a systematic manner. There should be a proper manner in which it should be collected. In order to have reasonable standard of accuracy, statistic it should be collected in proper and systematic manner. Rough and haphazard manner of collection will lead to wrong conclusion and wrong calculations. So if the calculation is wrong, our conclusion will be wrong. So we should collect proper and systematical manner of information during statistics. Now next, statistics for a predetermined purpose. We should be confirm in mind. We should know for what purpose we are collecting our statistical data. The investigator must have a purpose beforehand and then should start the work for collection. Otherwise, the data collected without any purpose is of no use. We don't know for what and why we have collected. Suppose we want to know intelligence of a section of people. We must not collect data relating to income, attitude, interest. We have to take out intelligence. So we should collect everything related to their intelligence of the section of a people, their information. Okay. Now, without having a clear idea about the purpose, we will not be in a position to distinguish or differentiate what type of data is necessary for us and what type of data is unnecessary, or we can say relevant or important data and irrelevant or not more important data. Okay. Now the last one, seventh one, characteristics of statistics is statistics are capable of being placed in relation to each other. Means it is collected and it is placed for the purpose of comparison, calculation, which purpose we have taken that is related to each other. When we are talking about literacy, we are talking about sex ratio, we are talking about the population of a country, they all are related to each other. So it should be capable of being placed in relation to each other. We should be collect properly so that the comparison or the homogeneous or uniform, means it should be equal. Wherever the collection is done, it should be equal. These all we have discussed now are the characteristics of statistics. Okay. These now take one more example. Deterioration of achievement score in academic sphere of some students may not be only due to lack of interest in school subjects. When we are taking that the score of students are coming down, there is not only one reason that they are not interested, but it may be lack of motivation, effective teaching methods, attitude of the students on school subjects, faulty scoring procedure. There are many reasons. So when we are talking about characteristics of statistics, only one reason cannot affect statistics as a whole or mere at individual level or aggregate level. There are many different reasons which collectively affect statistics. Similarly, scores on memory test of a group certainly depends on meaningfulness of learning materials, maturation of the students, methods of learning, motivation, interest of the students. When we are going for a memory test of a group of students, how and which type of learning materials are used for such tests is very important. It should be meaningful. Okay. Next, maturity of the students. If I am taking memories test of a group of 1 year students, then it should be done in proper manner according to the level of the students. So methods of learning, motivation, interest of the students, that all points should be kept in mind. These are the characteristics of statistics, and the examples are explaining that one factor is not only affecting, there are many different factors which collectively affect each other. Okay, understood?